Hello, everyone. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to set up your domain email with MailerLite. Check the description below for a link to a free trial. For those already using MailerLite, simply log in and follow along with us. First, navigate to Account Settings. Next, select Domain. On the right side of the screen, you'll find an Add Domain button. Enter the email address associated with the domain you wish to verify and click the button to authenticate it. Then, copy the CNAME and TXT values provided and paste them into your website's DNS settings. Once you see the confirmation message, DNS record created successfully, and complete the process, your domain will be successfully authenticated. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.